In this example, we are going to find the equation of a line given its slope is -2 and that the line passes through a point 3 and -5. So what we're going to actually use is we're going to use y equals mx plus b, because we actually know the m is -2, and what we're going to find is we're going to find the b. And now in this scenario, we actually know the x term is right there, so that 3 is going to be our x, and our y is going to be the 5. So there are 4 things in our equation, and we happen to know 3 of them. That means we should be able to just substitute the 3 in and solve for the 4th. Okay, so here we go. So the y we've already identified as -5, so we'll plug that in. We'll set that equal to our slope, which is -2. And we're going to multiply that against our x term, which happens to be +3 in this case. And we'll put plus b. b is what we'll solve for. In our second step here, we'll just do some quick multiplication, where we've got -2 times -3 gives us 6. And then we'll plus that b again. And now what we want to do is we want to get our numbers on the left side of the equal sign, and we'll keep our b right where it is. So we have to get rid of this -6, if you will. There's 2 ways to do it. First way could be just to add 6 to either side. So let's do that. Let's add a +6 to this side, and essentially when we do that, we'll also add a +6 to the other side right there. And then +6 and -6, that equals 0. So those are gone. In which case we're just left with a b on the right side. So to finish off and figure out what b is equal to, it's just 6 plus -5. If you're not strong with integers, just grab your calculator, type that in, and you realize that's 1. So to get our equation of our line, all we're going to do is plug their 2 pieces of info now into this equation. We know our slope is -2 from the question right up here. And we just solve for our b, which was 1. And that will be our equation of a line.